Nasaan banda yung excessive force doon sa pagsira ng pader? May tao ba nasaktan? May tao bang ginugbog? Was it a violent dispersal? No, it's not. Violent pa nga dyan, mga kotsero, yung mga supporter ni Kibulok. Yung bang pagpasok ng kapulisan, in spite of them informing that they are there to arrest Kibulok, they introduced themselves as the police. Dapat by that time, pinapasok na sila eh. May warrant naman pinakita, nagpakilalang police. Hindi ko kailangan ng search warrant. Lalo na kung merong cause o na sigurado, meron sila information na person that they're looking for is in the premises. Pwede silang pumasok. Nasa right nila yun. Again, the question is, was there really an exercise of excessive force? Wala excessive force. In fact, they held up tong si police for a couple of hours bago pinapasok, which goes to show na baka pinagtago muna nila si Kibuloy or baka pinatakas muna nila kung saan man sulok ng property siya pinatakas. After 2 hours, saka lang kayo nagpapasok?